So the halo is just here.
So do you take like quite small pieces as you're doing the braid up on this bit?
Yeah, just because I want to like make sure that I'm not taking too much hair, because I want to make it really soft around that hairline.
Yeah.
But as I work my way down, I'm going to start dipping into that halo. Stop here because I want to leave enough hair for this side to take into my braid. And then I'm just going to tie this off. And then I just find like by pulling by the top you just get that little bit more of a disheveled finish. Okay, other side.
Do you get many people asking you questions about the halo when you talk about it?
Yeah, they're always like, how does that work? Like, and what, it doesn't fall out? Like I get a lot of those sorts of questions. And people don't know I'm wearing it when I wear it. So I think when I wear it with my short hair, that throws people the most.
Yeah.
Because they're like, what? You're wearing a halo? And I was like, yeah, for thickness. It just means that my hair doesn't go flat and I don't have to straighten it. I just can have tons of body. My hair's so fine. It just like helps thicken it. And yeah, people are like, oh my God. And my girlfriend actually had bought one from you guys for her wedding. And, she was like, you've got one in now? And I was like showing her and she was like, oh my God, that's how it works.
Yeah, it's like a party trick, isn't it?
It is. I think people are fascinated by them. Don't you reckon, Shannon? Like, they're like kind of intrigued by them.
It's so much simpler.
Yeah.
And it's so easy to take out as well.
I was a skeptic when I first got it. I was like, how is this not going to fall off my head? And then like when I put it in, I remember I sent Jasmine a photo and I was like, it actually looks really good.
And it's so much more comfortable.
Yeah, I was actually surprised.
Like clip-ins kind of like
pull
your hair and like it's just so comfy.
I was actually like, oh my God. And she was like, dude, it looks so good. I'm gonna weave that pin in and out and start pinning these. Just going to find a hole in there and then put my finger through and weave it. So you never want to see where anything starts or stops. And then just start securing. This is the braid that we did that time at Xenia where we did like 2 braids, you know, like going across each other at the back. Yeah. I love that Shannon, she never has any idea what's going on at the end. Like after like all of the hair, she's like, oh my God, that looks so, like my hair looks amazing. Like it would be
it gets taken, put in and taken out
so much. So she doesn't see it most of the time. So yeah, it's funny when she's like, oh, like I'll show her the photo after or upload it that night. She's like, oh, my hair looked really good.
That must be such a nice surprise when you see that stuff.
Yeah, it's so weird because like I have no idea
what's going on.
Yeah.
Most of the time I just zone out and I'm like, oh,
this is like her downtime. Actually, no, I'm use that together. That looks so pretty.